Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today's video is all about making a dazzling and jazzy wall decor using lots of rhinestones and mirrors. So without any delay, let's get started. I will be using the canvas to make the wall decor. At first, I painted the canvas with phthalo blue, but I didn't like it. So I painted it over with navy blue and black and let it dry. Here's the design I drew for the wall decor. I transferred it on the canvas. Here is the rhinestone wrap. I cut it into strips. There are two strings running through the strip of rhinestones. I cut one of the strings along the length of the strip. I did this so the strip will drape easily along the curvy lines on my drawing. If you don't cut the string, it will still drape along the curvy lines, but it will be a little bit struggle. Once the strips were ready, I started sticking them using E6000 glue, or you can also use school glue. That works just as well. Instead of canvas, you can also use MDF boards or cardboards or foam boards or whatever material is on hand. You can either outline the whole drawing with the rhinestone strips and then fill in, or you can do one part at a time as I have shown here. To fit the rhinestone strips in corner areas, I had to cut them at an angle, and using the trial and error methods, I could fit them right in. This material is plastic, so it's easy to cut, and surprisingly the rhinestones are shiny even though they're plastic. I am so glad you chose to watch my video today. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to like and share. As you can see, there are some gaps remaining after I filled up the whole part. So I had to cut the rhinestone in pieces. Some rhinestones I just had to detach from the strip, and I used those to fill up the gaps. It looks quite tedious, but trust me, it's really not. And also, in my opinion, if you want to create something good, you have to work at it at least a little, right? The easiest part of this project is to just stick the mirrors. I already had these small mirrors at home, so I didn't have to buy them for this project. And the bigger mirror I bought from Dollar Tree, and the rest of the material from Joann for 60, 70 or even more % off. This mirror is 7.5 inch diameter. The complete list of materials is provided in the description box below. To hide the edge of the mirror, I stuck another floral trim on it. I cut the flowers from the floral trim and stuck them in different parts of my design. To make the background shiny, I mixed Mod Podge and silver and blue mica powder together and I painted it over. And here's the final look. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I hope you like it too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.